I'm going to demonstrate how to take a test in Blackboard. It's really pretty easy. So you just click on the name of the quiz. Here I just have a demo quiz to show you. You'll see some information. This test has a limit of 1 hour. You'll be notified when time expires. Forced completion. This means it has to be completed in one sitting. You can't leave the test and come back later. And so you just click on begin. And this is just showing you a couple things about the types of questions. So you can see here you might run into a true-false question, right? So you just select an answer, and then you can save the answer, but you don't have to. You could just click on this arrow to move to the next question, and it will save the error. Save your answer, sorry. So if I click on this, it'll move to the next question. There's a question completion status bar. You can open that up and you can see how many questions there are on the test and how many of them you've completed. So here's an example of a multiple choice question. Okay. You just select an answer. And again, you can save it, or you could just click on this to the next question. The double arrow brings you to the last question. Lastly, this is an essay question, and in this class you might be asked to enter a response to a question. For instance, you might be asked to write an algorithm here. So you just go ahead and type your answer. As we move through the semester, you will be writing C++ code here, not on the first quiz, but on later quizzes. So, you just, type your answer here. You can move down to the next line. Try not to use the tab key. That kind of makes a mess of things. If you want to move over, you can hit the space bar a few things, to indent a line. But that's just where you type that. And now I'm at the end of the test, so you'll see save and submit. I'll get a message here, test submission confirmation. Click OK to submit and cancel to return to the test. If you forget a question, this will give you a reminder that you didn't answer a question. You can hit cancel and go back. Okay? So my test has been submitted, and you do get a message here. Click OK. That's down in the bottom right-hand corner to review results. But you won't be able to review your results until I've graded everybody's quizzes. That just generally takes me, a day or two. And then I will post a course announcement that you can review your test and instructions on how to do that. If you have any problems at all while taking the quiz, send me an email immediately. On quiz days, I'm online a lot, so I'm checking my email to see if anybody has any problems.